Will help you access the AI Writer tool in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
To access the AI Writer tool, click select or highlight your video clip. Now click to deselect, and you should see on the bottom right hand screen text. You should see the first option, AI Writer. Scroll up, you can see you have an option to change the theme, the topic, and the requirements. Okay, so we're going to click movies and TV. Enter the name of a movie or TV. Once you're happy or satisfied, scroll down and click generate, or Capcut Mobile even gives you some features or some suggestions. Generate. Capcut Mobile is going to collect the data and input a generated script. Agree or disagree, you choose. Now Capcut Mobile is generating the free AI Writer tool completely for free. You can see Capcut Mobile has successfully generated a script. Click apply. You have a couple different options to add the script, text-speech script, or add an AI avatar. In this, we're going to click the first option, add script. Now you have successfully added an AI Writer tool completely for free. You can even edit the captions